Hello! By now you know that in Slovenia October can be very nice up there in the mountains. We're gonna prove you that today since we're going to the beautiful glacial valley of Bohinj. Not to the lake, but above the lake. You'll see it. Come! Hi, so now we are in a cable car in gondola up to Vogel ski center, and we're gonna do a nice loop hike to two mountains, two peaks, Šija and Vogel, and you're gonna see it's very nice. So down there you saw whipped cream of fog, but we're going up to the sun and we're gonna see the heart of the Julian Alps and everything. It's a very nice hike. So here we are at one of the probably nicest viewpoints in Upper Carniola in Slovene mountains. Behind there you can see Triglav, so this is Triglav Kingdom around, the biggest lake down there and the heart of the Julian Alps. So here on Vogel it's very nice, and you can see all these autumn colors already. Probably large trees, some of them are getting yellow and so on, so we're gonna enjoy it today, you'll see. Of course you can hike up here from the valley, but usually we do it like we take the cable car, so the gondola coming up here, and even maybe a bit of cheating, going up another 10 minutes with the ski lift, so with the chair lift of course, and start from the upper station there. But so that's why we have to hike now up to the upper station. So this is what, maybe a bit more than 30 minutes, and then from there on the peak called Šija, and then on another peak called Vogel, and back we'll do a loop. But you'll see it's a nice hike. So this is the first peak for today, called Šija, 1880 meters. And if this was July or August, this would be crowded totally, because this is the most popular peak here. If you come up with a cable car, and then if you want to do a short hike, so Šija is it. From the upper station of the cable car you can do a longer hike by itself to that mountain there. It's called Vogel, 1920 and something. Or you can combine, of course, Šija plus Vogel. So today we try to reach Vogel as well, but today we are alone, so it's pure poetry. guys, this is it. So now we are on a peak called Vogel, above 1900 meters, so close to 2000. And here's the totally new territory, new region of Slovenia begins, Tolminsko, and then further on the doline of river Soča. But on this side, so we came through Upper Carniola, through Bohinj valley. We needed some 3 hours over Šija peak. And by the way, the whole ski resort below us got its name from this very peak. Though it's a bit windy, it's a beautiful day. And here you have just zillions of possibilities to do loop hikes, shorter ones to Šija, longer ones to both Šija and Vogel, or to any of the peaks around. Anyway, of course, enjoy it and see you back at base camp.